Welcome. In this lesson, the main thing I want you to get is that rate of change is slope. So we're going to talk about rates of change, and the rates of change don't have to be constant. So the question just says, according to the graph, what was the rate of change? And again, I want to emphasize that rate of change is the same as slope. So what's the rate of change between January and February? So we look at this between this horizontal shift, between this time limit of 1 month, we increase a total of from 33 to 39 in a total of 6. So the answer for that would be it increases 6 minutes per month. And I want you to realize it's minutes per month, and which is just the slope of the line. But it's different at different spots on the graph. In fact, at some point it even goes down. So rates of change do not have to be constant. So this lesson will be very easy. Most of you will fly through this lesson. We're going to look to find what the rate of change is between the months or between the years 2017 and 2018. So you find the correct horizontal distance between 2017 and 2018, and you find out what the vertical change is. I went down from 22 to 19. So my rate of change is down, or a -3, -3 vacation days per year. So it seems weird that you put the minus in there, but you do put the minus because it's going down. According to the graph, what's the rate of change between Tuesday and Wednesday? Between Tuesday and Wednesday, we increased by 1. It's 1 emails per day, or increased by 1 emails per day. None of these will be any harder than that. It's always going to have a unit of 1 in the horizontal. In the next lesson, we'll talk about it being a different scaling, and you have to be careful with the scaling and reduce your slope. But for this one, we want to know what's the rate of change between Tuesday and Wednesday. We find Tuesday and Wednesday. We started at 14. We decreased all the way down to 0. So we had a -14 emails for the day of between Tuesday and Wednesday. Going to jump ahead really quickly, make sure that it doesn't get any harder than this. I'm pretty sure it doesn't. Same thing, according to the graph, what's the rate of change between 2012, 2013, all the way up to 82. According to the graph, when was the rate of decrease greater? Now we're looking for the steepness of the slope. 2014 to 15, 14 to 15 is horizontal, didn't even change. But between 2015 and 16, we went down. So which is the greater rate of change? Oh, when was the rate of decrease greater? So it's important that it's decrease, obviously 2015-16, because there's a difference between increase and decrease, right? When was the rate of change greater? Between Monday and Tuesday, here's Monday and Tuesday, or between Tuesday and Wednesday? Well, Tuesday and Wednesday was a far steeper slope. According to the graph, when was the rate of change, rate of decrease greater? 15 and 16, between 15 and 16, or 16 and 17. This went down 2, or this went down 1. So 15 and 16. If you have any questions on this, just please bring them to class, but this should be a fairly simple and easy lesson.